Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Octopath Traveler or Gamepad or controller not working issue. The very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your system restarts, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, simply select use default settings and then move to the next solution. Next is to update your controller drivers. For that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. Once done, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check whether it's working or not. So you will see an update option available here. You have to simply click on it and update your game and then check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. Update your Windows to the latest version and then launch the game and check. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Now here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. Here you will be able to see that your controller is added. You have to remove it first. For that, click on three dot icon, then click on remove device. Once done, restart your system once. After restarting, again go to settings, Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add a device and here you have to add your controller. After adding your controller, check whether it's working or not. If not, then you need to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you have to simply search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or you have to go to the link that I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, click on the download option. This will take you to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now once the file is downloaded, you have to install it. After installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch Octopath Traveler or game again and then check if the issue is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.